lang po namin sa clip.
Kala ko tukag nga eh. Kala namin, ano mo eh.
Surprise! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! At syempre, tanggapin mo ang flowers with 10,000 pieces! Ayan, at syempre, hindi pa po natatapos sa ating kasiyahan dahil pag may birthday, merong cake at pag may cake, merong kantahan! Sasamahan natin si Boss Bob to celebrate ang kanyang birthday at syempre, ang kanilang anniversary! Yay! At syempre, bago pa tayo mag-yuhen, sabay-sabay natin kantahan si Boss Bob! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, syempre, bago po ang lahat, boss, ano ba ang wish mo ngayong birthday mo? Bukod sa tumigil na ang ulan. Secret na lang daw yung wish. Ayan. O sige, pwede na natin ihipan habang malakas ang hangin. Unahan natin yung hangin, ha. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Yeah! At syempre, hindi pa po kami nagtatapos sa surprise, ha, dahil bukod dyan sa surprise na nakuha mo at bukod sa 10,000 cash na nakuha mo, meron ding teddy bear at may mga pagkain pang kasama yan para, diba, kumpleto ang celebration. Pero bago ang lahat, ang yung pinakamamahal ay may inihandog na awitin para sa'yo. Siyempre, Mas Bok, gabi ang pagmamahal sa'yo ni Ma'am Virgie. Tama? Talagang kahit napakalayo niya, gusto niya masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. At itong awitin na to ay inaalay niya sa'yo at sana daw ay magustuhan mo. One more time! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ayan, syempre, Boss Bok, happy birthday and more birthdays to come and more anniversaries to come. And syempre, good health and long life. And syempre, sa susunod na birthday mo, sana kasama mo na si Ma'am Virgie. Di ba, Ma'am Virgie? Uwi ka na. Hindi na siya galit. Happy birthday to you. So, bumiyahin pa nga po itong bisita namin. Galing Kuwait. Kaya ilabas na natin si Ma'am Virgie at kanyang message para sa iyo.
To my one and only baby boy in my life. Happy birthday to the most favorite person of my life. Thank you for being part of my life. Thank you for being the only one I can share my jokes, stories with. And thank you for the love and support you gave me. And the biggest thanks for handling me in spite of my mood swings. You always there for me at hindi mo ko iniiwan. I won't forget the laughs, the times, the memories we created in these 12 months of our relationship. My love is for you and only you. You are my world and I am truly proud and blessed to call you mine. I pray and wishes you a happiest birthday, my baby love. May this chapter of your life filled with unimaginable blessings. I wish our relationship will last forever. I love you and I always will. Happy first anniversary and once again, happy birthday my baby Bok. Sana magustuhan mo ang munting surprise ako sa'yo. See you soon, my one and only baby love. I love you to the moon and back, my baby Bok. Sending my tight hug and kisses to you.
Wow, grabe naman yung message na yon. Talagang tagus-tagusan sa buto at puso, 'di ba? Pero, syempre, talagang paggaling sa puso talagang nakakaiyak. Kaya Boss Bok, kung nandito po sa harapan niyo po si Virgie, ang inyong baby love, ano ba ang message mo para sa kanya?
Sorry. Sorry, thank you. Sorry. Thank you and thank you sa lahat ng support mo. And I love you. Bawi ako pag uwi na. Sorry. Sorry.
Talagang speechless, no? Kasi talagang na-surprise po kayo. At parang wala po ka talaga kayo inaasahang regalo ngayon, no? Ngayong birthday ninyo.
Gusto ko lang tahimik. Gusto ko lang may mag-isa. And thank you. And I love you.
Ayun. Wow, ang sweet! Kaya ba syempre, bago pa tayo kagatin ng mga langgam dito sa bayan ng Alabang, Muntinlupa City, ay mag-picture time muna tayo. Picture! Ito na po!